Our local ecosystems are the lifeblood of our planet. They provide us with clean air, clean water, and fertile soil. They are home to a vast array of plants and animals, all interconnected in a delicate balance. This balance, known as biodiversity, is crucial for maintaining the health and resilience of our ecosystems. However, human activities such as deforestation, pollution, and the introduction of invasive species have disrupted this balance, leading to a decline in biodiversity. Many native plant species, vital for supporting local wildlife, are disappearing. This loss of habitat and food sources has a ripple effect, negatively impacting entire ecosystems. It is our responsibility to protect and restore these invaluable ecosystems. We need to be mindful of our impact on the environment and take steps to promote biodiversity. One simple yet powerful way to do this is by growing wildflowers. Wildflowers are not just beautiful. They are essential components of healthy ecosystems. Unlike many cultivated garden plants, wildflowers have evolved over centuries to adapt to local climates and soil conditions. This makes them hardy and low maintenance, requiring less water and fertilizer than their non-native counterparts. More importantly, wildflowers provide crucial support to local wildlife. They offer food and shelter to a variety of insects, birds, and small animals. By planting wildflowers, we can create essential habitats and corridors for these creatures, helping to restore the natural balance of our ecosystems. Moreover, wildflowers attract beneficial insects that prey on garden pests, naturally reducing the need for harmful pesticides. They also improve soil health by preventing erosion and adding organic matter. Creating your own wildflower haven is easier than you might think. Here's a step-by-step guide. First, choose the right site. Select a sunny spot with well-drained soil. Consider the size and shape of your garden bed. Next, prepare the soil. Remove any existing grass or weeds. Loosen the soil and amend it with compost if needed. Then select your wildflowers. Opt for a mix of native wildflowers that are well suited to your local climate and soil conditions. Choose a variety of colors, shapes, and blooming times to attract a diversity of pollinators. After that, sow the seeds. Follow the instructions on the seed packet for planting depth and spacing. Water gently but thoroughly. Finally, maintenance. Once established, wildflowers are relatively low maintenance. Water occasionally during dry spells and remove any unwanted weeds that may appear. Section 4. Attracting pollinators. The buzz about wildflowers. Pollinators such as bees, butterflies, and hummingbirds are essential for the reproduction of many plants, including a large portion of our food crops. Unfortunately, pollinator populations are declining globally due to habitat loss, pesticide use, and climate change. Wildflowers play a crucial role in supporting pollinators by providing them with nectar and pollen, their primary food sources. The vibrant colors, alluring scents, and diverse shapes of the wildflower blossoms act as beacons, attracting these beneficial insects. By planting wildflowers, we can create essential feeding grounds for pollinators, helping to sustain their populations and ensure the continued pollination of our plants. This simple act can have a significant impact on the health of our ecosystems and the security of our food systems. Section 5. Long-term benefits, a legacy of biodiversity. Creating a wildflower garden is not just about immediate aesthetic and ecological benefits, it's about investing in the long-term health of our planet. By providing habitat and resources for native plants and animals, we contribute to the overall resilience of our local ecosystems. Wildflower gardens, once established, require minimal maintenance and provide a self-sustaining source of beauty and ecological benefit for years to come. They become havens for biodiversity, attracting a variety of creatures and contributing to the delicate balance of nature. Imagine a future where our neighborhoods are adorned with vibrant patches of wildflowers, buzzing with the activity of pollinators and teeming with life. By embracing the beauty and ecological importance of wildflowers, we can create a lasting legacy of biodiversity for generations to come. Start planting today and be a part of the solution.